Hello everybody and welcome to the Mechanical channel, and if you're enjoying what you're seeing on the channel at the moment, why not leave a like and subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you never miss another video. And we're back today with another organ chat, one of my favourites actually. This is the Gordon Craig Theatre in Stevenage, home to this magnificent Christie organ. The Gordon Craig Theatre Christie organ, number 2861, was built by Hill, Norman and Beard in 1932 for the 2,000-seat Carlton Cinema, Tuebrook, Liverpool. The organ remained a regular feature of the Carlton until the mid-1950s. By the early 1960s, it had been removed and reinstalled at the ex-Servicemen's Club in Stotfold, Bedfordshire, which had originally been the 700-seat Regal Cinema. The organ survived until the 1980s, when in 1987 it was removed and reinstalled at its current home, the Gordon Craig Theatre. And here we are at the Gordon Craig Christie. There are 11 ranks of pipes. There used to be 10, it's now been enlarged to 11. And we'll demonstrate them in order, as is traditional with these organ chats now. So we're going to start with, on the grate, we have a lovely tuba. There's an English horn. Typical sort of diapason. Tibia clausa, a lovely little flute, viola, and typical Christie. It's not all available on the grate, you've got to move to the solo for this bit. So, we've got a Vox Humana, we've got an orchestral oboe, and a lovely little clarinet which has got a little bit of a rasp to it almost. Useful. And we've also got celeste, 2 ranks. We also have the various percussion instruments that you expect to find, like the chimes. Being Christie, they're lovely, these. And they're unenclosed behind the curtain at the top, so it sounds like they're coming through the wall. An unenclosed xylophone, not on that manual. Glockenspiel, so they're all unenclosed. We've also got a chrysoglot, and its own sounds a bit like that, and we can also turn that into a vibraphone with a vibraphone motor. Always think that's rather nice. And we've also got the various percussion instruments you'd expect to find, such as the bass drums. That's meant to be a drum roll, it's a bit poorly today. Crash cymbal, a cymbal stroke, snare drum roll, which is like more like a tuned machine gun, superb, and a triangle. And of course, being a Christie, you've got these lovely little rocker switches. You can do the rocker, tap and crash, which is great fun. And there's also various sound effects like a siren, boat whistle, and a telephone bell. And the telephone bell is quite unique as far as I'm come across, because it's in the console. I don't know why they did that, but they did. Well, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed the content today, and we'll be back with more organ chats in the next video. So take care. Bye-bye for now.